thunderstorm warning for southeastern Joe Daviess County, north central Carroll County, western Stevenson County, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Laurelon, or near Mount Carroll, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Laurelon around 1:55 p.m. Willow around 2 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Pearl City, Kent, Bolton, Elroy, Lena, Lake Lackawanna State Park, Damascus, Wadhams Grove, Scioto Mills, Cedarville, and Red Oak. Take cover now.